Hi guys, so today we're going to be making some Parmesan and garlic drumsticks. Now for this recipe, you're going to take some drumsticks. You want to make sure you pat them nice and dry with the paper towel. We're going to add some olive oil to them. And then for seasonings, we're going to add some Italian blend seasonings and some dried parsley. And then we're going to add in some salt and black pepper. Now you want to go ahead and mix that up. You want to make sure your chicken is fully coated with the seasonings. We're going to preheat our air fryer to 390 degrees. Now the air fryer that I'm using was sent to me by Cosori. I have reviewed a Cosori product in the past and I absolutely love it. I love this air fryer, you guys. I've used this every day since I've had it. I like cooking frozen foods in it, like from the store. I like making chicken wings in it because it gets extra crispy. You guys, please check out Cosori's air fryer. I'll leave the link to it down below. I absolutely love it, you guys. So here I've placed my chicken in my basket and I'm going to go ahead and pop that in the air fryer and I'm going to let it cook for 5 minutes. I'm going to take it out, I'm going to flip it, and I'm going to let it cook for an additional 5 minutes. Next, you want to cut your air fryer down to about 300 to 320 degrees, and then you're going to let your chicken continue to cook until the juices run clear. We're going to take some minced garlic, and we're going to infuse it with some olive oil. You don't want your garlic to burn, you just want to let it cook for about a minute or so, and then we're going to pour it in a dish to cool. Now after it's completely cool, you're going to add in a little bit of garlic salt, some fresh chopped basil, and some freshly grated Parmesan cheese. And then we're going to go ahead and give that a good mixing. Now you can also make this recipe in the oven, but I'm just using my air fryer today. Now as soon as your chicken is done, you want to go ahead and roll it in this mixture, and that's it, you guys. This chicken is finger licking good. This is so good, you guys. I absolutely love my air fryer. Like I said, I make everything in it, you guys. Definitely check it out. Yum.